What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you how to create a cartoon illustration of Barney. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw a curve for the top edge of the muzzle. So we're going to start on the left side. We're going to bend this up and towards the center and then bend that back down towards the right. Now we want to tuck the eyes in behind the muzzle, leaving a gap in the center. Go to the left side. We're going to draw an oval going all the way around, come down and just tuck that in towards the side. Go to the right, go up towards the same height, go around the side, and then in. Let's pull the pupils towards the inside. So on the left, we're going to draw a circle going all the way around, and then in toward the top. Let's trace that circle along the inside for the pupils. And at the top of each pupil, add a small circle for a highlight. And it will fill the bottom of the pupils in black. Now I want to draw the bottom edge of the muzzle. We're going to leave a gap on the left side. We're going to step down, curve the mouth, coming down, go across, and then bend that up. And then on either side, draw a small oval for the nostrils. Let's tuck the teeth in underneath. So we're going to start in the center to split the teeth in half with two angled lines. On the left, bend the teeth going out, and then up toward the left and right side. Let's open up the mouth, starting back on the left, coming down, across, and then up. Now I want to draw the bottom row of teeth, starting back on the left, coming down, and then up. Let's add the tongue, coming down and up towards the right, and it'll fill the inside of the mouth in black. Now we want to round out the cheeks. From the outside of the left eye, step out, curve around the cheek, and then bend that in, leaving a gap towards the mouth. Let's line this up on the right side. Going around, and then in. Now I just want to trace the mouth along the bottom. Let's add a fold along the corners of the mouth, coming down and then out. Now I want to add that thick brow across the top of the eyes. On the left, we're going to step out, go up above the eyes, bend that down on the inside. We're going to leave a gap in the middle, go to the right, going up, and then bend that down on top. Let's go in between the brow and close off the head with a curve. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw the patch in the center of the body. Starting on the left side of the head, go all the way around towards the bottom like an oval. Just pull that up and in on the right. Now from the bottom, we step down and add another curve, coming down and then up. Let's leave a gap in the middle, go over towards the left, we're going to bend the leg, going out and down towards the bottom. Move over towards the right and do the same thing. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. Coming down and then up. Now we're going to curve the leg, we're going to go up and then in towards the side of the body. And let's make our way up towards the top. We go around, up, and then in. Now we're going to add those little toes across the bottom. Let's start right in the middle with a half circle, going up and then down on both sides. Now leave a gap on either side and add one more toe. Let's go to the left side along the top of the body. We're going to step down and curve the arm, going out and then down towards the wrist. Do the same thing on the right. From the wrist, draw a small half circle for the thumb. Close off the end with a small bracket. Now we're going to place 3 small fingers across the bottom. Starting from the bottom of the thumb, we're going to come down and up around that bracket. Go to the side, bend the finger, going out and then in. And then the third finger, we're going to blend into the arm, going up and then in underneath the head. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now I want to bring the tail coming out from the right hip. So let's start up here, bring this down, and then up, round out the tail, taper this down, and then in towards the side of the leg. Now I want to continue this curve in between the legs, going up towards the left. And we want to add a couple spots along the top of the tail. And we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Barney. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe to this channel for more daily videos where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you again soon.